Hello everyone, this is Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I also want to remind you that some of my video courses are already available. Buy them if you haven't done it yet. I would really appreciate your support. Today I'd like to give you a review of this golden pleated dress. It's very unusual. Just have a look at it. The dress is loose and very light. The lower part is three-tiered. It looks very beautiful when I move. Each layer is very beautiful. Have a close look at the fabric, it's absolutely amazing. Have a close look at the sleeve. It's also double layered. It's overcast at the bottom. The lower sleeve was edged by hand. The upper sleeve, either. Have a look at it once again. The dress is very light. It's unusual and it's very stylish. I feel very comfortable wearing the dress. The fabric is exclusive and expensive. Such fabrics are in trend now. I couldn't resist showing you this dress. The customers of my fashion house love it. Have a close look at the details. The pleats are gathered on the neckline. The fabric is very delicate. I'll tell you how to cut it. Have a close look at the dress once again.
The
dress looks unusual when I move in it. It's absolutely amazing. I love the result. The dress is suitable for some special occasions. I'm glad to have it in my wardrobe. I'd like to show you this dress in detail and tell you how to work with the pleated fabrics. I'll take the dress off. Have a close look at the dress. As I've said, the pleats are folded on the neckline. It looks very beautiful. First, let's have a look at the dress, and then we'll talk about the fabric. This is the first layer. The lining is silk. This is the second layer. Notice that we haven't edged the fabric. It was just cut. It's very convenient. The edges are raw. Let me show you the wrong side of the dress. The dress is lined. The second layer is stitched 12 cm above the edge. The armhole is edged with an overlocker. I do not feel comfortable when the armholes are edged with a bias binding. This is how the sleeve looks like from the wrong side. As I've said, the lower layer was edged by hand. The overcast should be white. Otherwise, the wrong side of fabric would be visible. I like it that the dress is loose. It's very stylish. A lot of fashion brands offer similar designs. I love the dress. Have one more look at it. The sleeves are double layered, and the skirt is three layered. Let's have a look at the fabric. The fabric is pleated. Have a look at the way it's fixed with the paper from the both sides. The fabric has silk and lurex in its structure. It's very light due to this fact. You need to cut this fabric together with the paper. If you remove it, the fabric will stretch. If you decide to make a similar dress, you need to make an accurate mock-up first, then apply it on the fabric and cut it together with the paper. This is the best thing to do. It's not hard to do it. Practice makes perfect. You just need to be careful and attentive. Have a close look here. I'll show you a piece of fabric. The paper is pleated as well. The both sides are covered with the paper. Have you ever seen such a thing before? I was glad to show you this dress and the fabric. Pleated fabrics are very beautiful. You can make some fashionable garments of it. You can sew skirts or blouses. Be creative. Let's be different and beautiful every day together. My name is Irina Paukshte. Buy my courses, subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you. Goodbye.